Welcome. Visiting a hospital can be a frightening and overwhelming experience for your patients. This tour will demonstrate how we apply our insights to create a patient-centered imaging department. Take a look around. For children, a hospital visit can be a stressful event. With the kitten scanner, we playfully prepare them for their upcoming procedure, so they know what to expect. Philips Ambient Experience evidence-based design can aid in the physical and emotional comfort of your patient and staff. Patients can personalize their experience by selecting a visual theme, which provides a sense of control. This in turn improves their confidence and comfort. Upon selection of a theme, dynamic lighting, projection, and sound transform the imaging room into a multi-sensorial experience. Ambient Experience takes into consideration each aspect of the imaging experience, from preparation to procedure and post-procedure. Addressing each contributes to improved patient and staff satisfaction. Each room is designed with rounded corners, creating the feeling of more space, more freedom, and less clutter. Integrated coil cabinets enhance workflow and complement the overall room design. Interested in learning more? Just reach out to a Philips colleague. Philips Ambient Experience, transforming healthcare into human care.